Well, good afternoon everybody. How y'all doing? Pretty windy here, and welcome to the channel. Before we get started today, I just want to make sure that you guys know I'm running a giveaway right now for the 10,000 subscriber mark that we hit a couple days ago. It's the 10K triple play giveaway. We're giving away a gift card, some kicker speakers, and a front TRD Pro grill. So if you haven't entered that yet, here's the link right here. Go ahead and check that out. Anyway, today what we're gonna do, it's springtime. It's almost summer. And that means it's car care time, right? And I don't know about you guys, but I hate washing vehicles, you know, so I'm always looking for the easiest way to do it. I like them to look good, but I hate doing it. So let's talk about tires. You know, nothing's worse than washing your vehicle. It looks fantastic, but your tires look like crap. It lets it down, you know? So there's a couple products, a couple things that I've used in the past. I thought it'd be kind of neat, show you guys what I do and do them side by side, front tire, back tire, see which way works better, which looks better, which is the easiest. So the first thing is this tire foam stuff. You know, you can use it whether the tire's wet or dry, doesn't matter. Just spray it on and it says you can walk away. Briefly, it just says shake well, hold 6 inches away from the tire, spray it on there. Try not to get it on the rotors or the brakes or any of that kind of stuff. Don't spray it on the tread. Obviously, make sure that you wash the truck first, or the tires first, which I've done. The truck is clean, the tires and the wheels, everything's clean for the most part. And then spray it on and walk away. That's it. Supposed to leave you a nice, shiny, clean finish on your tire. So we're gonna do I guess we'll do the front tire with this one. The second method that I do is to wash the tire, and that's to wash it with soapy water, you know, and then spray on a little bit of Simple Green. Simple Green is a biodegradable product, supposed to be all natural. It's a degreaser, a cleaner. So before I would wash the tire, I would spray the whole tire with that, rinse it off, and then wash the tire. And that's what's been done on the wheel behind me right now. It's dry at this point. After that, I grabbed some Armor All, just your simple Armor All, with one of those waxing pads that you use to wax your vehicle with, and just go around the whole outside of the tire. Kind of gives it that wet, shiny look, you know? Now, the one thing I will say, you don't want to put a ton of it on, because if you do, obviously when the tire spins, it's going to throw that off on the back of your truck, and then you're going to have those little wet, shiny spots from the Armor All. One little thing I'll mention, and both of these products, coincidentally, are by Armor All. This video is not sponsored by Armor All or anyone else. I never use this stuff on the inside. You know, it always talks about cleaning the inside, the rubber, the vinyl, whatever. I find that it looks good for about 3 seconds, and then after that, it draws the dirt and the dust, you know? And it doesn't look very good after that. Plus, it leaves that kind of oily finish. That's on the inside. Not bad for your tires. It seems to work really well on there. So anyway, we're gonna set up. I'm gonna go ahead and put both of these products on both of the tires. I'll show you that. And we'll see which one looks better and which one's easier. Stay tuned. Okay, we're gonna start on the front tire with tire foam. Again, shake it well. And supposedly 6 inches away. Obviously, you don't want a lot of overspray on everything. So we're going to try to minimize that. It is windy out here, so I'm hoping things go okay. But we're going to spray it on the sidewall and see what happens. So while the wind isn't blowing very hard, let's give it a try. There you go. A little bit of overspray on the nozzle, you can see there. So you got to clean that off, but that's all you do. So we're going to let that do its thing. It's supposed to dry. You don't have to do anything else. That's it. So we'll see what that looks like once it's done. We're going to move on to the back there. and we're going to use my Armor All and waxing pad method to take care of that one. All right, obviously we're back here on the rear tire now, and move you guys back just a little bit, and we're going to go ahead and do this one. Again, this is using just regular Armor All spray and a waxing pad. Turn the screen up so I can see what you guys are seeing. So we have the waxing pad. This is just an old one. I've used it for this before. This is obviously not from waxing. And we're gonna apply this, and then we'll compare the two. So pretty simple. Give it a little shake and spray this Armor All on the waxing pad like so. I don't put a ton, and then just apply it, you know, and you can see it's already running. I've really got too much. And with these more aggressive tires, obviously you have all these grooves and stuff, and you do have to, you know, kind of work it in there. Go around the flatter part of the wheel first. It's just easier, and then right up against the wheel. Like so. And then continue on through all the grooves. Okay, that's about all I'm going to do right now. You can see it's obviously much more labor intensive than the other method. So we're going to let the other side dry, and then we'll compare the two. The problem with using the pad and the Armor All, especially like I said on a tire with a lot of grooves and tread, a more aggressive tire, is trying to get into all of the notches and things that are in the tire, and it's virtually impossible unless you spend, you know, way more time than I'm willing to spend doing this. So we're going to go ahead and let the other side finish drying. As far as this side goes, it's done. You don't have to wait for it to dry. It's ready to roll. So let's let that finish, and then we'll come back around and compare both. All right, we are all done. To recap a little bit, we started with the tire foam. Again, this is an Armor All product. You just spray it on. Wet, dry, doesn't matter. Spray it on, walk away, let it dry, you're done. Second item, or second product, was again Armor All. This is the protectant. Applied this with a waxing pad. A little bit more elbow grease required in that, and a little bit more time. Again, there is no drying time. You can see the finished product as you do it, so you know what you're going to end up with. I don't know. So, in the end, which one would I pick? The Armor All Protectant with the pad, or the Armor All tire foam, spray and walk away? Well, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I really don't like washing vehicles. I like cleaning tires and wheels even less. So for me, it's got to be tire foam. How much easier could it be? You know, spray it on and walk away. Pretty darn simple. Anyway, I just wanted to get on here, show you guys what I do. I'll be curious to hear what you guys think. Which one do you like better? Which one looks better in your opinion, especially on video? I'll have to watch it back myself and see. I know which one looks better in person, but I don't want to taint the results. Leave a comment down below. Tell me which one you think looks better and which one you'd be more likely to use. And if you don't use either one of these, what do you do? As usual, appreciate you guys watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Click that subscribe button if you haven't before. And don't forget to enter the giveaway contest. The first results to that are going to be released this coming Saturday for the gift card. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on the web. Have a fantastic day. Bye.